Time to power up your day with this easy and satisfying snack. Today we'll be making Power Bites. This recipe video comes to you from Adagio Health's Power Up program funded by SNAP. Don't forget to visit our website at powerupeatright.com for more videos. So families, tell me, are you bored? In need of healthy snacks? Looking for something easy and fun for your children to make? Do you have spotty bananas you want to get rid of? Well, stay tuned for this 5-step Powerball recipe. So here's what you'll need for the recipe. 1 to 2 spotty ripe bananas, 2 cups of oats, a half cup of any nut butter. If your child or you are allergic, you could always use soy butter as a replacement. 1/3 cup of honey, a half cup of dark chocolate chips. And as I noted before, if you're allergic to peanuts or tree nuts, use soy butter instead. Step number 1, peel and mash a ripe banana. Mash till it's completely squished up. Mashed banana. Step 2 is microwave a half a cup of peanut, nut, or soy butter with a 1/3 cup of honey. So we are going to microwave this in a microwavable safe bowl for 15 seconds. Step number 3 is add 2 cups of oats to the melted peanut butter and honey, as well as the mashed banana. Once this is all added in, we are going to stir it all together. So we have our oats, our banana, our melted peanut butter, and our honey, and we are stirring it all together until it's nicely mixed. If it's a little wet, you can add some more oats to it to help it thicken and stay nice and sturdy. Step number 4 is to add in about a 1/4 to a half of a cup of dark chocolate chips. And just fold those in. You don't want to mix too hard. You don't want them to break up. You just want them to be evenly distributed throughout the mix. And the last and final step is to roll these into small balls and put it in an airtight container in the refrigerator to let them sit. Now, if you want to let the dough sit for a little bit in the refrigerator prior to rolling, it'll make the dough less sticky. But it's up to you, and then once they sit for about an hour, they're ready to serve. So taking our recipe back to my plate, here's our nutrition summary. The bananas are going to be the fruit. The oats are going to be the grains, whole grains actually. The nut or soy butter will be the protein, plant-based protein. And if you were to pair this snack with a glass of milk or a cup of yogurt, then you could add some dairy in there as well to get 4 food groups. And there you go. That's our easy 5-step Powerball recipe. On behalf of Power Up, we thank you for watching. And in the meantime, until we see you again, stay happy and stay healthy.